Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. And this video today is just kind of like a little update. I just wanted to let you guys know that my P.O. box number actually changed. And I actually had to get a new P.O. box because I'm getting more products and I'm working with more companies and a lot more is happening. So I actually needed a bigger P.O. box and needed more space and stuff like that. So obviously I couldn't keep my old box. So in that case, my new P.O. box number is actually P.O. Box 892. Make sure you guys check below in the description so you guys can know what my new P.O. box number is. So if you guys are trying to send me out anything like, you know, fan mail, supporter love, I know you guys send me out letters and stuff, or a lot of you guys have companies and businesses, so you want to send me out your products and stuff like that to test and try and share with my audience, and a lot of different things go through my P.O. box. So if you just want to write me a letter, you want to send me something, you are a company and you're trying to get in touch with me outside of my email address, you want to just send me something to take a look at, definitely my P.O. box, P.O. Box 892. All of the information will be down below in the description, the full information. And I will change my default like settings on YouTube to where as though it's updated in my newer videos. I'm not gonna go back and change it on my older videos, but it's going to be updated on my newer videos. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram. There's a lot going on over there on Instagram and I need you guys to be a part of it. So follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram is Miss Motley 89. I will make sure my P.O. box information is over there as well. So that's pretty much what this video was about. I wanted to update you guys on my P.O. box so you know not to send anything else to P.O. Box 403. Although if you did, if you have sent something there, I have all of my mail being forwarded anyway. So it's not like I wouldn't get it. It's a high chance that I will actually still receive it. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this very short video. I love you so much. If you are not a part of the family, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and come over and join the family. My goal is to hit 10K. So I would really appreciate it if you guys help me out. And other than that, that's the end of this video. Bye, angels.